Hey, what's up, everybody? Mark McNealy here, also known as Breath Solution with McNealy on YouTube. So, if you're brand new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. All right, guys, so you can stay updated and alerted as new content come out. So, welcome, you're here, and this video I want to talk to you all about something that's really important. I've been getting a lot of questions and people emailing me, and so I figured, hey, this video is past due. Let me go ahead and shoot this video and get this information out to you guys. So a lot of times, as you guys already know, when you're on your journey to curing halitosis, bad breath, basically what you're focusing in on is getting your gut under control. And a lot of times when you're getting your gut under control, you're saying no to a lot of the foods, you're saying no to a lot of the food cravings and things like that that you would normally intake to get calories. Okay, so what tends to happen is, guys, a lot of times people feel like they're starving themselves, or they're not eating properly, or they're not getting enough nutrition to help them sustain, to help you guys focus and have energy throughout the day. And I get it, I understand, and many of you definitely are active, or you would like to be active, and so it takes, nutrition, it takes food, all right, it takes a lot to help us all sustain and stay focused and have energy that we need to have a productive day. So what I wanted to share with you guys in this video is, all right, again, I've shared this before, but if you're brand new and you haven't followed me, definitely take a look at this information. So I have here what's called a meal replacement, guys. Okay, and you can take this up to 3 times a day, or even more, depending on your calorie intake that you're trying to achieve. And as you see, it provides energy, satisfies hunger, non-GMO, it's vegan. All right, so for those of you that are vegan lovers, definitely don't want to miss out. Now, you don't have to get this brand. There's many different kinds. You got the meal replacement brand. All right, you got the protein, just the regular plant protein. The meal replacement, it just basically has more calories at times, but yeah, and it has all of the different ingredients here on the back. Some, you get vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin B, vitamin B6, vitamin B12. I mean, so many different proteins, 17 grams, vitamin A, vitamin C. It doesn't have a lot of sugars, 1 gram, under 1 gram of sugar. It's got the little less than sign. All right, actually, I'm sorry, it's pointing to the greater than, so it's about 1 gram of sugar. And dietary fiber, 6 grams. Total carbohydrates, 16 grams. Sodium is about 260, which is not bad. And it's got a lot of great benefits, ladies and gentlemen, that you don't want to miss out on. So it's got I'm going to read some of the names just so you guys can kind of know what to look for when you're purchasing, all right, your meal replacement. And this supplement can be found at Vitamin Shop. It can be found online. I'll just try to leave a link below in the description box of this video so that you guys can actually pick up your own bottle. But basically, guys, it has in here, I'm going to read some of the benefits. Fermented mushroom blend. I don't even taste that. But it's got relish, it's got tomato, pea, carrot, spinach, pepper, organic fermented fruit blend, cherry, banana, apple, strawberry, blueberry, cinnamon, allspice, clove, essential glutrient blend, aloe. It's got a lot of good stuff in here, guys. There's so much more, some things in here. It's got 1 billion CFUs, Bacillus, I can't pronounce that right. It's a digestive blend. So guys, it really has some great stuff. Flaxseed oil powder, flaxseed, chia seed, hemp seed. So it's a lot of good things in here, guys. And it also, ladies and gentlemen, if you wanted to work out with something like this, this is really good because it has arginine in it, which definitely helps with rebuilding muscle and helping to restore your energy. And it also has something in here that is real good is L-glutamine. L-glutamine, as you all know, it helps restore your muscles, it restores your gut, all right, your gut lining. So it has so much, guys. So I just wanted to shoot this quick video. This is one of them. I'll try to leave a link below in the description box, but basically you can pick this up anywhere. You can pick it up online. Sometimes they can be difficult to find depending on if they're run out, but like I said, this is a great alternative if you're trying to replace your meals. And guys, you already know, to cure halitosis, you have to be consistent, ladies and gentlemen. You cannot give up. You can't give up on yourself. I just want to encourage you, to not give up. Keep fighting every day. It's going to be a new journey, a new battle, a new fight every day. But I'm here to encourage you. If you need encouragement, just let me know. I try to, if you email me, I try to respond. I do have a lot of people emailing me, so if it takes me a while to get to you, I apologize, but know that I have your best interest at heart and in mind, so I will respond. Just give me some time. And if you see that it's been a week and I haven't responded, please respond back to me. All right, but that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I just wanted to share this information with you. So go out, be great. Again, don't let the small stuff sweat you. Don't let it stress you. Keep working towards your goals. Always remember to use your positive affirmations, guys. This is stuff that I live by, okay? And I even live by it to this day in my own personal life and setting goals and working towards things. So halitosis was one goal, and I highly encourage you guys to stay consistent. That's what I did, ladies and gentlemen. I stayed consistent. I stayed the course. When people came around me eating things that I wanted, that I craved, I stayed the course. And being filled up on a good protein, it does help. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Stay the course. Keep fighting for your freedom. You're gonna do it. You can do it. You can achieve it. I believe in you. I believe in you. And I'm gonna say it one more time, I believe in you, ladies and gentlemen. So with that being said, I'm gonna get out of here. Peace and blessings. Breath Solution with McNealy. Hey, if you're looking for some personal one-on-one coaching, right now is the time. Definitely want to get your spot locked in. Go ahead and send me an email below. All right, I'll put an email here. Shoot me an email and we can kind of talk. But we do have some spots available. I'm actually helping several people now with one-on-one personal coaching. So just hit me up, let me know. All right, definitely spots are limited, so you definitely want to get back with me if you're interested. With that being said, guys, I'm signing out. Peace and blessings, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care. God bless you.